Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video you are going to see how to connect our master server and our slave server. First of all, we can see what is meant by Jenkins. Jenkins is an open source automation server used for building, testing and deploying an application. In Jenkins we are going to have two nodes. First one is the master and second one is the slave. Jenkins master in which Jenkins is being installed. Implement this Jenkins master will implement the workflows towards the slave server. Jenkins is also known as controlling node. In order to set up the Jenkins master, you need to be install the Java and Jenkins. Now let's see about Jenkins slave. Jenkins slave will does the work given by the master server, and the Jenkins slave should be responsible to the master node. The requirements for the Jenkins slave are Java needs to be installed. Okay, now we can see how to configure the master server and the slave server. First of all, get into Amazon console. I already launched two servers. One is for the master server and another one is for the slave server. In master, already the Jenkins and Java is being installed, and in slave Java is being installed. First of all, we can configure our master server. Public IP :8080. Okay, Jenkins is not started. We can start our Jenkins. Sudo systemctl start Jenkins. It is taking some time. You can wait. Now we can check. To get login in, you need to know the password. For that, copy this command and go to master server and give cat and paste that command. Sudo copy this password and paste it here. It will ask for installing plugins. Click on install suggested plugins. It will take some time to install these plugins, so wait. Okay, now our plugin installation is being completed. It will ask for creating an user. Click on save and continue. This is the URL of our Jenkins server. Click on save and finish. Start using Jenkins. Okay, our Jenkins server is ready. Now we are going to connect our master server and our slave server. For that, you need to go to manage Jenkins. Click on nodes. You can see our master server here. This is the built-in node. In order to implement the workflow towards the slave server, you need to connect your master server itself. For that, you need to open our master server. Become as a normal user, not as a root user. cd.ssh. Get into SSH directory list. There will be one file named authorized keys. Now we are going to create two empty files. For that, I am going to use the touch command. id_rsa and id_rsa.pub. These two files need to be created. Enter. Now we are going to copy the authorized keys into the id_rsa.pub. rsa.pub. Now using VA editor, open the id_rsa. In here we are going to paste our PEM file of our slave server. Click our PEM file and open with the notepad. And copy the content. Go to a master server and paste it here. Save and quit the file. Now we are going to give the read-only permission to these files. chmod 400 for all the files in this directory. Now give SSH localhost. It will ask for, are you sure you want to continue connecting? Yes. Now our Jenkins master is connected to Y itself. Now we can configure our Jenkins slave server. For that, go to our Jenkins server and in manage Jenkins, click on nodes. In here, adding a new node options will be there. Click on add new node. I'm going to give select permanent agent and click on create. It will ask for remote root directory. For that, you need to get into our slave server, and here you can create an directory. Okay. Now get into the directory. Copy the path. And paste in the remote root directory. Now I am going to give labels. Slave. Launching method via SSH. Launch agents via SSH. Host, you are going to give the public IP of the slave server. Copy the public IP and paste it in host. Credential you need to add. For that, click on add and Jenkins. Here you need to select SSH username with private key. Username of the slave server ec2-user. It will ask for private key. Click on enter directly and click on add. Now you need to copy the PEM file content into this place. Already I have copied, so I choose. Then click on add. Now Now you need to select the added credentials. Click on easy to user. Host verification strategy is manual trusted verification strategy. Keep this agent online as much as possible. Now click on save. Now our node is being added. See, it is showing not applicable format. Wait for some time. Okay, now our slave server is being configured. You can see in here in sync. Now you can deploy your workload on your slave server. Okay guys, this is about configuring our master server and a slave server in Jenkins. I hope that you have understood clearly. We can see in the next video.